Hollywood liberal Robert De Niro recently admitted that he fantasizes about President Donald Trump in handcuffs and being taken away in an orange jumpsuit. De Niro made a slew of bizarre comments as he introduced the HBO-produced The Apollo, a documentary detailing the history of the Harlem Music Hall. Urgent poll: does Trump have your vote in 2020? Every time I set foot in this hall of art and entertainment I can feel its incredible history, the actor said before the film screening, according to Variety. In these disturbing times when the administration is promoting divisiveness and racism, by being here tonight we are making a statement that we reject it. No, you don't, not in this house, not on this stage, he added. Niro has a long history of using divisive language when discussing Trump. During an interview last week on CBS The Late Show with Stephen Colbert, De Niro mused about placing Trump in handcuffs and taking him away in an orange jumpsuit. "We have a wannabe gangster in the White House now," he told Colbert. "Even gangsters have morals, they have ethics, they have a code, and you know, when you give somebody your word that's all you have is your word, especially in that world. This guy, he doesn't even know what that means." De Niro also laughed off Trump, calling him another low-IQ individual and claiming it was his civic duty to portray Robert Mueller on Saturday Night Live. Free Trump 2020 flag, limited time offer. Even host Stephen Colbert was taken aback by De Niro's gruffness and his overall bad attitude. "You're not as enthusiastic to be on a talk show as we are all excited to have you here," Colbert said, to which De Niro explained that he just likes to keep things short, sweet and to the point. This behavior from De Niro is not new. 2020 voter poll: Donald Trump or Joe Biden? Back in 2016, he spewed similarly vile thoughts after Trump was elected to be president. Throughout the 2016 campaign, Robert De Niro left no doubt that he's not a fan of Donald Trump. The Hollywood legend called Trump totally nuts and blatantly stupid, arguing that he would take the United States in the wrong direction. Now that Trump has won the election, De Niro said he's depressed. "I feel like I did after 9/11, De Niro told the Hollywood Reporters Awards Chatter podcast. "We'll just see what happens. There will be many, 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 many people watching." On Wednesday, De Niro lamented to Jimmy Kimmel that he can't punch Trump in the face, as he previously said he wanted to. "I can't do that now, he's the president," De Niro said during his appearance on Jimmy Kimmel Live. "And I have to respect that position, even though we all know what anyway. We have to see what he's gonna do, and how he's really gonna follow through on certain things. As we even see now, in a lot of cities, a lot of people are getting very upset and protesting." De Niro is obsessed with Trump and clearly has issues. Related, VP Mike Pence drops the hammer, demands top Dems be removed. Related, Rush Limbaugh says this one Democrat can beat Trump in 2020, you might like let's block ads. Why?